Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to decorate a vegan Valentine's love cake. My channel is called Lily and Peony. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm using an 8-inch cake board with 6-inch cakes. Please refer to the description box for the ingredients list. Don't forget to flip the top layer cake upside down. Then I apply the first layer of buttercream. This is called the crumb coat. Once I've smoothed out the crumb coat, I put my cake in the freezer for 30 to 60 minutes for it to set. After my cake comes out of the freezer, I next apply a layer of wafer paper all around my cake. Then I apply buttercream to the top and bottom of the cake to create a fault line. Do apply buttercream generously here. I'm using a Wilton 1M piping tip here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.